Hey guys, this is math lesson 12-8, and today we're going to be talking about paper money. So we've been talking about coins and then adding those up together, and now we're going to talk about actual paper money. Okay, so we're going to look at the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $10 bill, the $20 bill, the $50 bill, and the $100 bill. Okay, so I have some examples of some play money here. So this is the $1 bill. See, it's our school money, and it has George Washington on the front, and it tells you it's worth $1. If we turn it over and look at the back, it just says 1 on the back. It's $1. Okay. And we have our $5 bill that has Abraham Lincoln on it. Tells us it's worth 5. And on the back is a picture of the Lincoln Memorial, and we can see Abraham Lincoln in there. Okay. And we have our $10 bill, and our $10 bill has Hamilton on it. Hamilton was not one of the presidents. He's on the $10 bill. He actually was in George Washington's cabinet. Remember, we talked about his cabinet. There's people that help him out, and he actually was the very first Secretary of the Treasury, meaning they're in charge of the money in the United States, the Treasury. Well, let's give it a chance to focus. The Treasury Department is where the U.S. Treasury is where they print the money that we use in the United States. So this is a picture of the U.S. Treasury. Okay, and then we have our $20 bill, and our $20 bill has Andrew Jackson on it. Andrew Jackson is actually who Jacksonville was named after, even though he never visited here. Okay, so Andrew Jackson, he's on the $20 bill. He was our 7th president. And on the back is a picture of the White House where the president lives. Okay. And then I had to make copies of these because our money didn't come with it. We have our $50 bill, and our $50 bill has our 18th president, Ulysses S. Grant, and it's worth $50. And on the back is a picture of our Capitol building. This is where Congress goes to work to make the laws. And finally, we have our $100 bill, and this is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin was also not a president of the United States, but he was another one of those founding fathers that helped to form our country as it is today. And on the back is a picture of a place called Independence Hall, and it's where they signed our Declaration of Independence, where we declared our freedom from England. Okay. So today for your lesson, you guys are actually just going to be adding some bigger numbers. Okay, so let's take a look at it. On the front, it tells you what each bill is worth: 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. Okay, and if you're not sure, it's also here. Okay, and then you're going to add the bills in order from the greatest to the least greatest, just like we did on our change. Okay, so a $100 bill plus a $50 bill plus a $20 bill plus a 10 plus a 5 plus a 1 equals $186. Okay, and remember when we're talking about dollars, we use that S with this line through it to show dollars. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and find, let's get it focused again. There it is. Okay, we can find our total by counting on, or we can find it by using our whiteboard. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the whiteboard. So let's take a look at number 1. It's $50 that we're going to add. You have a $50 bill, a $20 bill, and a $1 bill. So we're just going to add $50, $20, $1. And we're going to add those together. I add my ones. 0 and 0 and 1 is 1. 5 and 2 is 7. And I make sure that I bring down that dollar sign. So I have $71. And I can write that right there. Don't forget the dollar sign, guys. Okay, so you're going to do the same on number 2, number 3. You're going to solve this problem. It's asking you, how do you find the total amount? Think about what we just did, or you can use that count on strategy, which I didn't show you. 50 and 20 is 70, and one more is 71. So either way will work. Okay. You're going to do the same thing here, finding the total amount. On the back, they want you to compare the two amounts. So you have to find the total here and the total here, and then circle the group with the greater amounts. And you can probably not even have to find the total if you just look at what each one is. Okay. Then show the amounts in two different ways. $207. Okay. So I'm going to help you with the first one, and then I want you to find it a different way. Okay. So I know that if I have a $100 bill and I need to make $200, I would need two of those. Sophie, no. And then $7 more would be 7 ones. Okay, this is one way to make $207. Okay, two $100 bills to make the 200, 7 $1 bills to make the 7. So you're going to make it another way. Okay, solve your problem and then do your right about it. Okay, guys, if your parents have any questions, just tell them to call the school or they can email me. See you in Mathland tomorrow.